Hey everyone. Okay, if you didn't watch the Felicity Jane unboxing, I got my tonsils out last Friday, so my throat hurts, and my voice will be going in and out. It'll be clear one minute, like a 10-year-old boy hitting puberty, right? Or a 13-year-old boy, 13-year-old boy. So it goes in and out. I have no idea, no rhyme or reason. I just put away this last month's kit. And the months are just flying by, you guys. They really are. Okay, so this is the TN kit, Kelly Purkey. This is Kelly Purkey. I don't think I even mentioned that. This is Kelly Purkey. It's night out, so it's going to be a little bit on the dark side. Let's see. This is the stamp set that came with it. Oh, so it's backwards, but only some of them are. Let me put that up closer. My chosen family. How cute we are. We are Framley. What's Framley? I don't understand that. What does that mean? We are Framley? You guys, if anyone knows, please let me know what that means. Okay, let's see. Oh, I like the colors. Documented. And remember, we get 2 of each, but they're not printed on the same. They're not both alike. You know, like these 2 are alike, but you won't find it. The back will be different, which I like that a lot. Gathered together. This is a pretty one. This is really, really pretty. I like the purples. We never get purples, and I love that. I'm thankful for all this. Oh, I can't. See, you don't have to use this for Thanksgiving. You can take a picture of like sushi or donut. Put it in there. Yeah, I like that's Bessie's, by the way. I like that. That's the TN kit. So with the TN kit, you get the TN papers, the alphabet stickers, and the stamp set. And then I got the Project Life, which they call Pocket, I think Pocket Scrapbooking set. That's what else I get. So this month it came with 2 Sparks Joy. Sparks Joy. I barely figured out, I barely found out what that means. That whole spark, touch in if it doesn't spark joy or something. So the theme this month is purple. Oh, you know what? I saw my little journal. How about she opened these to show you guys? I thought that was so much smarter than just flipping it back and forth. You can open it. And it's perforated, so if you wanted to put them into an album instead, that would work. So, got all the feels. And it's a different color on the back. So this is Joy, and on the back it's a different color. So they're the same design on the front. Uh-oh, the battery's gonna go dead. Cute. Oh, pretty blue. Come on, camera, be nice to me and just give me 2 more minutes. Oh, these are cute. Oh, I like the white one. The white one's pretty. Makes it more vibrant. The green. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, nope. Really thankful. I like the purples and the blues together. Today is a good day to have a good day. Oh, pretty. I like that. Here's the stamp set. Cute. I love that. This is Kelly Purkey, and then this is my add-on. My camera's gonna go dead, so I'm gonna hurry. So thank you guys. We'll see you all next month. I love the add-on. Alright guys, see you all next month. Bye.